welcome back to the channel. For today's video, we're right now headed up to
chasing, bro.
Oh, we're storm chasing. Randy said we storm chasing. Quick hurricane update. As of, what today is? Monday, September 1st. Today the 2nd? September 2nd, Monday. Time
is what?
12:32. The storm is moving at 1 mile per hour, and it's been raining.
The rain is so fast, we can't even get on the radar, bro.
Man, Randy the meteorologist.
That shit hit you so fast you don't even know it.
Randy weather.
I should just hit it too.
Welcome to Randy Weather Channel. So we got the transmission housing back from the dude. Shout out to Kevin, man. He came through with the welding right there. All looking pretty good, not too shabby. Not too shabby. Now, what I'm scared of actually is this right here. Oh wait, hold on. That right there. That one, I think that one's fine, but it is that one right there and that one right there. But once we start assembling it together, we'll see exactly what all is what. Okay, so you guys really can't see, but I put the this thing back on that comes off, and that sat flush. Now all I gotta do right now is just hammer down this bearing with the hammer and an extension. Get that down there good and smooth, and yeah, man. And see, you know, when we put the shaft on everything, see how everything spans and everything is good, then we are good. So that is the goal for right now. Quick update, got the bearing installed along with the washer shim thing, whatever. LSD installed. Now Randy's getting ready to get the gears back in this bad boy, and we're gonna see if everything is copacetic. If we don't have to shave that thing now that I showed you guys in the previous clips. But hopefully we're all right. I cleaned the casing the best way I could with brake clean and some microfiber. Well, I wouldn't say microfibers, but those paper towels. Yeah, man. If anything, that magnet right there would get shaving and stuff. But let's see what happens. Alright, so quick update again. This bearing is not coming out. We took the needles out of the needle bearing and left the bearing in there because, well, we couldn't get it out, and we tried everything, heat gun, heating it up, hammering the shit out of it. Nothing. It's just not coming out. I've been talking to this guy named Frank on Messenger to like help me guide me through this, and I mean, what he's saying is legit. If I can get it out, it's like all I have to do is just sand the sides once the bearing come out, but the bearing is not coming out. So might 100% sure might gotta get a new belt housing. That's why you gotta be careful, man, when you like, if you guys do this, like if the inside of it starts cracking and you have that crack, make sure when you do this,
Make sure the C-clip, that's what it's called?
well, yeah, but like if your first time being a transmission and you crack it and you want to weld it, just be careful because you could warp the circumference of that bearing. So when you put it in, you'll think it's going in good, but you know it's not coming out. Because to get this needle bearing out, you just get a block of wood or something. I recommend wood, safest, and then you just, you know, hit it down, and then this thing should come out. But not in this case. This thing is like in there, but. It's a quick little lesson. Now, at least now we know how that happens. I recently got off the phone with Ed. Recently, as in 2 hours ago, or about an hour and a half ago, maybe. Blah blah blah. He has a casing for $120 for me, but I am actually going to be buying a casing from the homie Sean for $20. So my Uber awaits. Where we going, Uber?
Gonna pick up some car parts, brother.
Yes, sir. During the hurricane, bro, what are we doing?
Hurricane,
Hey, man, flex one time for the vlog, bro.
We're stormtroopers, bro.
Oh. Man, we leaving Randy?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. But like I was saying, man, I'm finna go pick up a bell housing right now for $20, bro. So when Randy get off the toilet, we gonna be outie.
Oh my god.
Yeah, bro, he taking the deuce.
Hey, chill out.
Oh, my bad, bro. Yeah. What's up, Sean? Quick hurricane update. It's been on and off raining all day, but not a lot of rain because as you guys can see, it's pretty dry right now. Yeah, but it rained like 20 minutes ago. But well, got the gearboxes here. This is the one I just picked up. This is obviously the trash one. And I got my needle bearings. That boy Zosh, the bearing builder. Needle bearings back in place. Now what we gotta do is get the, man, you look majestic. Damn, you look cool as shit. And I should take a picture and send it to you. Hold on, bro. Picture and send it to you.
Nigga, you trip.
Ooh! Just don't mess up, Randy. You got this, bro. It's a brand new damn bell housing. I paid a hard-earned $20. You know how much $20 is in this day and age? Too damn much. Super facts. Third time's a charm. All right. Randy looking good, bro. How you think the shaft look on the other side?
So far?
So far, you think it look good?
Yeah.
All right. Oh, damn. Not the case. Whoo, girl. Gearbox is assembled. Rob, say what up to the vlog. My dog Rob, been my homeboy since 8th grade. But yeah, me and Randy did it, Oreo style, you know what I mean? He got the silver and the black going on. I might keep it like that. Yeah. Got all this done, taken care of, and we're gonna put the shift selector in and go through the gears, and we should be good. All right, dog, go ahead. Yeah. Oh. I know this video was primarily based upon the same thing that I've been doing for the past couple of days, which is gearbox work. I kind of like it with the two-tone colors. What y'all think? I should keep it with the two-tone colors for character, or I should just paint it black? I'm probably going to keep it like this, bro, because I just want my shit in the car, and I mean, I don't care if it's not black. I mean, it might look stupid. I'm sure as hell it's going to look stupid, so I might paint it. Nah, probably not. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Back where I started, in the garage, at home, and yeah, man, everything's situated. There's no cracks on, I didn't even show you guys, but there's like no cracks on the other side of the bell housing, the inside, so good there. Everything's good, man. I think that'd be kind of cool, dude. Like, what if I had like a pop, like what if that was painted like a nice silver? Like this was painted a nice like aluminum finish, and then I had like a nice aluminum finish valve cover. That would go so hard, dog. That would be so dope. The ricer in me. But that's it, I got paint here. Probably gonna paint this off camera. The next time you'll see the gearbox, it'll be painted and attached to that and going inside the engine bay. So I'm gonna call it here for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did enjoy this vlog, please leave a like on the video, and if you're in the comments trying to tell me, yo Zosh, why are you doing car stuff when there's a hurricane outside? I'm from Florida, dog. Like, I'm from Florida, bro. We straight. We is Gucci. I've been telling people we Gucci, bro. We is Gucci. I say that now and then, like, y'all don't hear from me for like a long time because like somehow the hurricane just targeted my house. Just my house, exactly. But yeah, that's it. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I am out. Peace.